Hello, everyone. Welcome to Software Institute of Technology. Today, we are going to learn about casting. Casting, not just any type of casting, not construction casting, goldsmiths casting, but we are going to learn how to cast the screen of your phone to your laptop or your computer, or how to cast your screen of your computer onto your phone, which means whatever you see on the phone will appear on the computer at this computer screen at the same time. Now, to do that, I use one of my favorite softwares, which is a LetsView software. You can go to Google, you can go to Google Chrome, you can go to Google Chrome and then search for LetsView. One of the first links you see is the LetsView website link. Just click on it and it will bring you to a page like this. Now note that it doesn't matter what you are using, whether you're using Windows, Mac, Linux, or whatever you are using, it will still work. So LetsView works pretty well. So now I'll click on download the software. In this case, I've already downloaded it. And then whilst the download works, you can go onto your Android phone. Today I'm using Android phone. So you go to your Play Store and then you search for LetsView app. I've already searched for it before, so it's there. So I select LetsView. You realize that I already have the app installed on my phone, so it's giving me uninstall. But if you do not, the uninstall will change to install. So you click it or you tap it to install the LetsView app. Once it's complete, you press the open to open the app, and you see right here, because I've connected, so you won't see that bar. You realize that right here you see redetect button, a button called redetect here, and you click on it and then it will show you your laptop or your screen so that you can select it. Because I've already selected mine, that's why it's not showing. So that's how you do the downloading and then detecting. Okay, all right, I already have the LetsView app downloaded, so I'll just search for it, LetsView. Okay, there you go. And then I'll click on the installer, and then I'll wait for it to finish the installation. So whilst it's installing, I'll head straight to my Android phone. I'll look for the software and then download it. I'll look for the app and then download it, install it, and then when the installation is done, I'll come back and then I will explain further how to use it to mirror your phone screen to your laptop screen, or how to cast your phone screen to your laptop screen. So let's wait for the installation to complete and then we can do that. This helps when you are doing a presentation and you want everybody to focus on the screen to look at what you are doing on your phone. You can cast your phone screen to your laptop screen, thereby projecting it, or for everybody to see. So let's wait for the installation to complete and then we'll take it from there. Also, one last information: always make sure the phone and the PC that you are going to mirror together, or you are going to cast to one another, you should always make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi network. That will make it easy, and that is the only way it works. So let's wait for the installation to complete and then we will continue. Now the installation is completed, as you can see on the screen. So we'll open it. Wait for it to open, and it's also open on my Android, so I'm going to try to mirror these two devices together. So there's there's a button on the Android phone that is called redetect. So I'm going to press it. I'll press it, and then let's see whether I will be able to detect my connection. So it's telling me LetsView user, so I'll click, which is my Windows. So phone screen mirroring. So it gives me two options: phone screen mirroring and computer screen mirroring. So I'll try phone screen mirroring first, and then let's see what happens. It's asking me to allow to record audio while using the app. Okay, I do that. Then start recording or casting with LetsView. So I click on start now. Oh, voila, here you are. That's my screen there on the right hand side. That is my screen. So let's see what I can do here. So whatever I do, you see, I'm browsing my apps. Oh, everything works fine. See, so whatever I do on my phone, as you can see on the screen, reflects on the computer. So I'll go to YouTube. I'm going to YouTube right now. Let me see if I can search for my channel, Software Institute of Technology. There you are. And this is my video. This was my last video. Hello, lovely people. Welcome to S.I.T. It's playing right there on the screen. Today, I can scroll. As I scroll, it scrolls on the screen as well. So that is it. So I've successfully mirrored my phone screen to the laptop screen. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Very simple. Let me see if I can get another software video. At this point, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the subscribe button right here. See right here, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell. It's also right there. And then when you go to our videos, we have a lot of videos for you to learn how to use Python. You can see how to use Python. There are a lot of videos on it. And then we also have tips and tricks for Windows. So a lot more will be coming in the near future. So please don't forget to share the video. Click on the subscribe button. And make sure you click on the notification bell. Now that we have mirrored our phone, there are a few options here that we can look at, like brush. If I pick, let's say blue, I can just highlight certain things on the screen for you to see. Highlight whatever I want you to see. So I can go back and delete it. I can go back to whatever I was doing. I can exit it. Example, assuming I want to show you that you should subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can do this, and then I'll highlight it. Click on the subscribe button, which I've highlighted, and then the notification bell, so that every time a new video comes, you'll be the first to be informed. That is how we do it, boy. Okay, once I'm done, I can delete it, and then I can exit. You can also pin it always on top, and pin it so that your video or your phone screen will always be on top. You can do a screenshot and rotate whatever image you've taken and all that.
So here you are. Whatever you do on your phone reflects. I'll go back to my desktop where I have my YouTube studio which I'm trying to open. And check whatever I'm going to check here. Check my analytics and everything. Basically, whatever you do on your phone reflects on the PC. So that's that.